Hello, I'm Edilene from Broncos, and today I'm gonna be making a 10-minute healthy steak and also a avocado salad. First, you just add your sea salt to both sides of the steaks. Don't worry about the salt, we're gonna remove at the end. It's just to give a little flavor to the steak. So we place on your grill and let it cook it through for about 5 to 8 minutes, and that's gonna be pretty much done. So you flip your steak like about 2 to 3 minutes after. We're not gonna be using the fat, we're gonna take it out. Let me clean it here first. Just the sea salt out. While the steak are cooking, we're gonna be making an avocado salad. So we're gonna be using cucumbers, avocado, tomatoes, parsley, and some limes. So first, we're gonna add the tomatoes, cucumbers. Now you add the avocado, and we're gonna finish with the rest of the recipe. So here, we're gonna be adding the parsley, a little bit of onions, and some limes. A little drizzle of olive oil. So just mix it. And there we go, your salad is ready. To kind of know how it looks inside, we just give a little cut in the middle. That way you can see it's nice and pink on the inside. If that's the way you like it, it's ready to go. As I said, we're gonna be cutting the fat out of it, so because we're trying to do a lean option. So it's steak gonna look smaller, but you're gonna taste very good still. So you place your steak, and there we go. There you go, guys. This is your 10-minute steak and avocado salad.